Alright, with the musket cleaned, we're going to fire a couple percussion caps to make sure the barrel's free, and then we're going to go ahead and fire a blank round. First shot in 20 years. Go ahead and cap private. Musket back to half cock. Putting a percussion cap. So back to full cock. He's going to aim down at a leaf. The leaf should noticeably move. Get within 4 inches of that leaf. Go ahead, fire when ready. Alright, cap again, fire again. Pouring the contents of the 60 grains of black butter down the barrel. Charge cartridge. And return rammer. Ready to try the first shot in 20 years. Ready. Aim. Fire when ready. Let's cap again and give it another shot. Aim. Fire when ready. We're going to pick the vent hole to see if that was obstructed a little bit. Good. Alright, with the vent picked, let's give it another shot. Ready. Aim. Fire. Yeah, a little bit. Let's try again. Fire. Much better. Recover arms. That's a nice report. How's that feel, Private?
Very good. Good time in 20 years.
Yeah, excellent. Well, we'll take this thing out in the field today and have some more fun with it.